Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. Curbivore 2025 Los Angeles, a glorious day, but made more glorious with Ryan Green, the CEO of Gridwise. Ryan, welcome. Tell us a little bit about Gridwise.
Well, thanks for having me here. I'm really excited to be here at Curbivore. It's a good turnout. It's a sunny day. It's hot, but to understand a little bit about Gridwise, so we are the leading business app for gig economy workers. So if you are a gig economy worker who works for a rideshare company like Uber, Lyft, or delivery company like DoorDash or Instacart, or even TaskRabbit or Wag or Rover, we help you make more money. So we're the leading business app in the space that helps gig workers make more money and manage all their gig work in one place. Hundreds of thousands of gig workers are using our app all the time to make them more money and maximize their earnings in less time.
Well, I say this all the time. It's not about working hard. It's working smart, right?
Being smarter.
So how does Gridwise make me work smarter?
Yeah, so we do so in a few ways. One is like when you come into the application, you want to connect all the gig accounts that you work for. We have people who connect one account. We have people who connect 9 accounts. And what we'll do is actually pull in all of your historical information that brings in all of your trips, your earnings, etc., and tells you like how you're performing in your market. We can say, hey, here's how you're doing in earnings per hour over time compared to other drivers who are driving like you. So one, it like gives you this like comparison of the market, which is great. But then in turn, you can go to our insights features and actually see all of these market insights around like earnings trends, demand trends, tip frequency, best restaurants, things like that, and actually use that to understand when and where should you be working, seeing how much different services are paying different gig workers, so you also know who to work for.
Well, the apps do, to a point, help the driver to get all these things under control, right?
Yeah.
In this day and age, data is gold. That's the new gold.
It is.
And so you guys do crunch the data and try to help maximize the gig worker and have him be more efficient. Is that right?
Yeah, I would say our analytics and insights we provide are based off of nearly 1 billion trips and deliveries that we've captured, 8 billion earnings as well. And just last year, I think hundreds of millions of trips that we captured last year that we used to produce insights in the app. We used to produce industry reports as well that help you just understand like what's happening in the gig economy.
So last but not least, what's coming up at Gridwise? Improvements to the app, additions to the app, what's going on?
Well, everything's about making more money, working smarter, not harder. So a lot of the things that we're investing in on that is just starting to like personalize the experience a lot more and investing in a lot of modern technologies that you hear about today that help you in a click of a button really understand like, okay, how am I, like, what am I doing and what can I do better to make $2 more per hour, $3 more, and to continue to maximize my earnings. So there's going to be a lot more new insights features that are coming out this year, more AI capabilities over the horizon as well.
Well, incremental improvement is what we're looking for, right? And $2 an hour, if you're on 40 hours, that's $80 a week.
That's a lot.
That's hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars a year. So let's close it up. I'll give you the floor. Finish it off.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for having me, Sergio. I would say for anybody who's, like I said, a gig economy worker out there, come to gridwise.io, download our app for free, and start making more money today.
Well, thank you, Ryan. See you later.